over the river and through the woods. We're here in Medford, Massachusetts, a wonderful and vibrant city outside the city of Boston, and I'm going to show you a great condo. Welcome inside. I'm John Lynch with Dwell360 Real Estate, and as you can see, we have a beautiful condo to show you. It has 2 full baths, we have 2 bedrooms, and it has a lower level that's really worth seeing. Let's go take a look. This condo has its own parking on one side of the driveway, enough for 3 cars, and then you have this well-appointed kitchen when you walk in the back door, the granite countertops. You also have gas cooking, a really good space here, and this coffee bar area. This is a really luxurious bathroom with the double sinks, the marble countertops, and this really cool green floor that sparkles in the light. On this lower level, we have this great TV area, enough room for a desk, a full bath, and then this great laundry room that's really large. Isn't it a beautiful condo? Before you go, I want to show you a private patio for just this unit. As I mentioned, the unit comes with this private patio, great for cooking out or just relaxing on a beautiful day like this. I'm John Lynch with Dwell360 Real Estate, and if you have any questions about this home or any other home on the market, feel free to contact me.